Hi, this is the 17th day of composting. So, let's see what is the fermentation process inside. What is this stage? Can we use it for curing or not? Shall we wait for a few more days for the curing process? Let's check it. You can check here almost all the white cottony growth disappeared and this bio waste is turned from green color into the black color. So it indicates this bio waste is almost fermented and you can use it for the curing process. So primarily curing refers to the mixing of this bio waste with cocoa peat, either cocoa peat or soil or wood chips, and keeping it for the 15 days to complete the process of composting, and after that final product you can use it for the application for plants. You can directly use it as a organic manure for your plants. So today I will show how to cure this fermented product, and let's start curing process with me. So we are using this container for the curing process. Yesterday we expanded the cocoa peat block by using 1 liter of water, approximately 1 to 1.2 liter of water. You can check here it is dry enough to use for the curing process. So when you start curing process, just put 1 layer of cocoa peat on the bottom of the container. This also you have to do layer by layer. 1 layer of cocoa peat and 1 layer of the fermented waste. This is 1 layer, you can check here properly. So I am taking out this waste. You can check here. I will maintain 1 layer of the waste here. So little more. And you can add 1 more layer of cocoa peat on this. Yeah, this is the second layer of cocoa peat. Again I will add compost. Yeah, this is the second layer of bio waste. I am adding 1 more layer of cocoa peat on this. This is the third layer of cocoa peat. So this is the final layer of bio waste I can add on the cocoa peat. You can wear gloves on your hands and take the bio waste. I am using this trowel for the convenient process. So, and one more thing to remember is you shouldn't keep like this because so many fruit flies can come and sit on this bio waste. So you have to completely cover this bio waste or fermented waste with the cocoa peat. I will use this cocoa peat to cover it. It is more dry than that one. So in order to avoid the insects to come and sit on this. This curing process takes 15 to 18 days to completely form into a manure. And this is not like a anaerobic process. It requires air circulation. So between 2 to 3 days you can mix it properly to encourage the composting process. So I will add little more coir pith. Yeah, I think this is ready to keep aside. So we used all the fermented waste for the curing process. Let me check, is there any liquid fertilizer collected at the bottom of this container? Yeah, it is there. You can twist now and try. If anything is there at the bottom, anyhow we will open this filter, and when you try to wash it, just harvest the fertilizer and you can use it for spraying onto your plants or directly use it for the soil. this is the curing process, and we have to wait for another 15 to 20 days to complete the complete composting process and to use the final product, that is organic manure, which is prepared at your home. So I am using this drainage plate to cover this pot. Yeah, I will keep this aside and try to not mix water or anything. And bye for now.